Hi everyone, I received a parcel this morning. Could not wait to jump on here and let you see what I've got into resin. I ordered 2 moulds. One of them was a pack of 2 moulds and the Christmas themed. This is the first ever into resin mould I've ever had, and I do have a discount code for you all. You get 20% off if you use the link, the discount code down below in the description. Quite a hefty discount code that, really, I think. And if you do purchase something using that discount code, I earn a bit of commission. You won't have to pay anything extra. It just helps me out a little bit, so thank you for that in advance if you're going to use it. I'm going to open these off camera for the simple reason of the crinkling. And I'll let you see what I bought. Right, let's see what I got. First of all, I got this. This is a handmade mould, and as you can see, it's a snowflake. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, there's a little bit of something. See, I'm mucking it up already. Bit there. Yeah, all glittery and shiny on the inside. Look at that already. I've only just put it on my mat. Yeah, they are handmade. You're not supposed to clean these, and certainly not to use alcohol on. Can't wait to use that. And 2 Christmas trees. These were the set of 2. Beautiful. They're both very different. One's short and fat, one's tall and thin. Right, I decided to use my mixer to mix it up, seeing as I didn't want loads of bubbles. I use an Estoyo mixer, not the AI one, just a normal one. I love it. I think it's brilliant. Right, and always remember, if you've used a mixer, to scrape the sides and the bottom and give that a stir. Right, I've mixed up 200 mils of resin, and I'm going to do one of the Christmas trees as well, because I can't wait. I will do both of them again nearer to Christmas, and like I said, I might put some lights in them or something, but I'm going to give that a go. Now, I don't know what to do for the best. I want just plain resin, just clear resin with a bit of very fine silver glittering for the snowflake, honestly, if only I could speak. And the Christmas tree, I don't know, I would like the Christmas tree the same, really. Yeah, okay, I'm going to go for it. Right, you've probably seen this glitter before. I got this from Temu. If I can get the lid off. And I'm going to put a fair amount in, but not too much. We want to see it. Doesn't glitter get everywhere? These are brand new mats, and honestly, the last few days I must have cleaned them about 100 times. Just ridiculous glitter everywhere. Right, there we go. Yeah, I think that's plenty. I just want to see what this one comes out like, really. That's why I'm not using any colours. Right, let's pour. Now, it does say not to use alcohol on these moulds, these handmade ones, so I'm not going to spray anything in, but I am going to pour it in slowly. The sound is fantastic. Right. Oh my. Oh, that is very pretty. I'm hoping it's picking it up. I've got a funny feeling that the camera won't really do it the justice it deserves. That is lovely. Truly lovely. I haven't got my glasses on, so it's probably going to be even more lovely once I put them on. Oh, that's fabulous. Well, as for my first into resin moulds, I'm absolutely thrilled. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put some ribbon through this, and I'm going to take some photos and leave them at the end for you, okay? Don't forget, I have a 20% discount code in the description box. Make use of it. Buy yourself something nice. Thanks ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it. A like would be even more appreciated. Thank you very much in advance. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.